Troubleshooting an LG dryer with clothes too hot. If the clothes in your LG dryer are coming out too hot, there are 3 troubleshooting steps you should take before requesting a repair service. 1. Interrupted cycle. Did you remove the clothing before the cycle had finished? All dryer cycles have a cool-down mode that runs during the last 5 minutes. During this time, air flows, and the drum and clothing continue tumbling, but there is no heat. This allows for the heat from the drying mode to be exhausted out of the drum, and for the clothes to cool. Clothing should be removed only after the cycle has finished. 2. Cycle settings. Was the cycle setting appropriate for the load type? Different fabrics have different care needs and requirements. Not following the instructions on the fabric care tag can result in improper drying. Make certain that the settings on the dryer are appropriate for the fabric types in the load. 3. Clogged venting. Lint buildup, duct blockage, or a damaged duct can cause clogged venting and exhaust, restricting airflow. The exhaust duct should be inspected and cleaned at least once per year. If you perform these troubleshooting steps and the issue persists, then the unit will require a repair service. Please visit our Request a Repair page. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the LG.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions.